Hey guys, thank you for downloading Timeline Optin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the overall product and how you can set it up with Facebook. So when you first create a campaign, you'll see right here. So the new campaign when it was created, the stats, so how many views it's gotten, how many shares, and how many opt-ins. You can edit the campaign, you can view the leads, and you can preview it. So here's what it looks like it's previewed. This is what it looks like when it's like not inside of Facebook, but when it's inside of Facebook, you can see it right here. That's what it looks like. So edit campaign. Here is this URL right here. The top here is the URL that you would want to create or add inside of your Facebook app. So I'm going to quickly go over the different areas, and then I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook app, since that's the hardest part. For here, you get a fan gauge, so you can turn it off and on. Basically, if it's on, they have to like your page before they see the actual opt-in offer. Here's the opt-in image. It can be any size you want, but it's best to keep it 810 pixels wide by 600, 610, 615, around there, which is this size, which is a good size. You can make it longer if you want, but if you make it any wider than 810, then you'll get a scroll bar, which doesn't look that good. Here's the opt-in copy. So here's the copy that is above the opt-in. So if I reload this page here. So if I click on here, enter contest, you can see this pop-up opens here with a form here. You can have content above this in the opt-in copy. Here's the button. So here's what it says: join this contest. Go here, save it. If I reload here, and it says join this contest. So you can change the button text. Okay, so the next thing here is the thank you image. This is the image that is shown once they've opted in. So, for example, name, email address. Okay, now this is the image that is shown. So now you can see it says share, get 50% off t-shirts. This is the share button. Now if I share this image, that's for example, let's say if you share this, I get 50% off the t-shirts, right? So I want to show them a coupon code after they're done sharing. So I can click on this. It opens up a share box, which all the share information here you can edit lower on this page. I'm just going to do it just an example, just share, nothing. Now it shows thanks, here's the coupon code, right? Which is great. The next thing here is the footer copy. So you can have any copy that you want that's shown on the footer here. So for example, terms of service, all that kind of stuff. The Facebook settings. Here's the Facebook settings. Here's the share title, the share URL, the share image, the share description. That's for when they actually share what I just did, but you can actually have some good stuff here. Okay, so now to get this inside of Facebook, to make it work right here, first thing you need to do is go to Facebook or developers.facebook.com and create an account, and then create an app. I'm not going to go through that on creating an app because it's pretty simple. Just create an app. You just go to apps, and then you go create new app. And then you follow the instructions there. Let's see if I can get back to that. Okay, so here's my app that I created. At the top here it says app ID and then app secret. You need to copy these and paste them right here. So it says FB app ID, FB secret. Paste those into here. Fill in the share information, so that all the different areas are filled out here. And then to get this on to a page, like I said with Bob Burgers, to get this on here, you need to go to your Facebook app. And on here it says app domains. You need to put in your domain, so let's say yourdomain.com, and then press enter so it gets blue like this. This domain name here should be the same domain that you have your actual Facebook or the WordPress saved on. For example, right now I'm using localhost, but yours might be yourdomain.com/whatever. And then what you need to do is go back here and make an apps domain, your domain that you're going to be using that matches this. So for example, mine would be localhost 8888, but since that's not a recognized domain, yours would be your domain.com/whatever the URL is that we give you. So just going to reload the page here. But yeah, once you do that, you come down here and you hit save, and then you click on this button right here, just add to Facebook. Now what you need to do here is just put in your app ID. Just go back here, grab your app ID, and then put in the URL that we give you at the very top here. And then click on Add App, and then it'll give you a drop down of the page that you want to add it to. And also, before I forgot, right here where it says Page tab, here's your settings for your Page tab. Where it says Page tab URL, paste in the URL that we give you, and the same thing for the secure one. If you don't, you just add S to your HTTP. That's if you have a secure or SSL on your server. If you don't, you can use something like Social Server, and then you can edit the Page tab image, and then also put on wide 810 pixels, and hit save, and then you're all done. And that's how you set it up with Facebook. And then one thing before I go, or before the last thing you want to do here is the autoresponder setting. So this is pretty easy to do. I'll show you that in one sec. In my Aweber account, and I have a form here, so I'm going to click publish. And just for one, just to show you here, is that this form has a name and an email field. Those are the two fields that are required. Well, they're not exactly required, but an email field is most definitely required. But those are the two different fields that you would want to have in your form. I'll click on publish, click on raw HTML, and you'll notice this is raw HTML, so there's no iframe or no JavaScript in here, so I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go here into this Optin form here. I'm going to click on and paste it. Then I'm just going to just press enter. Then if you click on here which says show advanced fields, you can see this is for advanced users, but you can see that the name, the from, are the names. So you can see it's name, and the input is name equals name, and then name equals from. So this is your name field. This is your email field. The name is called from. As you can see, then it gets the post URL and then the hidden information. And hit save. Now anytime someone that opts in, someone goes to your page and likes it, then they say, I want to enter the contest. They put in their name and then their email. And then they join, and they see the next image. That is also sent to Aweber or whatever system that you have, and they have now opted into your Aweber, MailChimp, or anything like that. And then also goes to the next part here. Thanks.